Hey everybody, Randy coming back at you, Carolina Picker, and I got my lovely wife here and assistant today, Tina, Miss Carolina Picker, and today we're going to show you this amazing haul that we got from Goodwill. You're not going to believe what all we was able to get from Goodwill. Now, I think four of the items came from Shop Goodwill, and the rest of it came from the bins. So we will let you know which and every ones came from where. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go through this fast, because if we don't, it'll be a 5-hour video. We got this shirt here. It's got an eyeball on it. Isn't that cute? That is just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Let me get out of the camera here. I'm going to try to do this in one take so that I don't have to edit it. We got these pair of shorts here. These are Faded Glory shorts. It is summertime, time for shorts. So there we go. Got those. Got these shorts here. These are I think these are Old Navy shorts, but yeah, no, Timber Creek. These are Timber Creek shorts. So we've got these Timber Creeks here. Alright. Got this dress here that is a, what is that? A questions? Is that what that is? I don't know. But it's a cute little dress. So we've got that. Doot. Got this dress here as well. Boy, that's a heavy dress, isn't it?
With pockets.
That is heavy. H&M. Now, we didn't do comps on any of this, so I've got to admit, we don't know what this stuff's going to sell for. What we did was we just went through Goodwill and just found a bunch of stuff. These are cargo pants from Old Navy. Not pants, but shorts. Cargo shorts from Old Navy. And then what we'll do is we'll do the comps on them. Because here's the trick. When you're shopping at the bins, you know, we got so many items. This is J. Crew here for a child, I guess. We got so many items that we're only in this stuff like 25 cents a piece or something like that. So this is a shirt here. So even if we have to just sell this stuff for $5, I mean, we'll make, you know, $1 or $2 off of it after eBay fees. But some of it will sell for more. What is this right here? This says Nike on it.
Little jacket.
It's a little jacket, and it says Nike. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but it says Nike on it. And it's a little child's jacket with a hood. Another dress. Boy, that's a heavy dress too, isn't it? This is a Nina Leonard.
Yeah,
Nina Leonard dress. Isn't that cute? That's just the cutest thing I've ever seen, besides my wife. This is a little leather jacket. It's called Miss Selfie. It's a medium. We're not sure if this is for a child or if this is for like a girl, and it's one of them short things, you know, that you wear. But either way, it is leather. It is nice and soft, and it I can't believe the kind of shape this thing's in. I mean, it is in perfect shape. There's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Another little coat for the children. This is a Baby Gap coat. Nothing wrong with it. It is cute. She got a pair of brand new, still got the tags on them here, and still got the things down here wherever they're at. Well, I know I just said, oh, here they are right here. The little sticker on it says, you know, what size it is. Pair of scrubs, never been worn. These are Cherokee scrubs. So, yes, got those. Scrubs do pretty well. Another leather jacket. Now, wait a minute. This is the leather jacket. Yeah, this is the East 5th leather jacket. And I can tell by the sticker that's on it that this came from shopgoodwill.com. We paid $3.99 for this jacket. I don't know if you can see it on there or not, but we paid $3.99 for it. It's an East 5th, extra large, and there's nothing wrong with it. Absolutely nothing. $3.99. And wow, what a jacket. Hey, got that over there. We got one thing hanging up that's still drying. It's probably dry by now. You know, and we've got those other shirts in there too, or no, a jacket and one more shirt in there, and you're washing those, right? Yeah, unfortunately. This is an Old Navy as well, kind of a vest, puffy. It's a puffer vest. It's a size extra large. So, yeah, that's really nice. I don't know if you want to hang that back up or just throw it somewhere. Now, take a look at all this right here. I'm not going to go over each and every one of these, but look at this. These are all DVDs. So we got these ones here. Then we got these ones here. And then these ones here. And then we found VHSs. So we got these VHSs. Oh goodness. These VHSs here. These VHSs here. Goodness gracious. The Betsy. That one's upside down. These ones here. And these ones here. So we found those, and that puts us in each and every one of those about 25 cents a piece, or whatever that was. I said a minute ago, 30 cents a piece, I think is what we figured out. Found a little Smurf, but unfortunately the Smurf's got a little hole in the top of it. Then we found a Garfield that doesn't have anything wrong with it. Little Garfield here. Then I found this Jvc Camera on Shop Goodwill, and folks, this thing has never even been used before. This is a phenomenal find right here. It works perfectly, and not only did it come with the Jvc Camera, but it came with a carrying case, the manual. Came with the manual. It came with a there's the carrying case there. A little remote, and it came with 10. Sorry about that, our dog's barking. But again, I don't want to edit this video, so you can just listen to the dog bark. It came with two batteries, and a charger, and it came with 10 brand new tapes that are still sealed in their packaging. 10 of them. And folks, these right here, just the tapes alone are selling for like $30 for just like a pack of 6 of them or 8 of them. There's 10 of them here. And the cameras themselves are selling for somewhere around $60. And again, I got the camera for $8.99. $8.99 at shopgoodwill.com. This is Lucy. She's the one that keeps barking. And the reason she's barking is because we have our son's dog. They're going off on a vacation. And so we got our son's dog here. And he is currently outside. And so she just wants to keep looking out the window of the door and barking. Now, the next thing we got is this little doll here. This came from Shop Goodwill as well. I don't know if anybody out there knows what this doll may be. Please help me out. I'm not sure what it is. It has no markings on it other than made in China, and that's a bad thing probably. But it came with a set of clothes. It is porcelain. It is a porcelain doll. It came with a set of clothes over here, plus the dress she's got on, and this little drawer here. And well, I ain't gonna open it. And it's in really good shape. Nothing wrong with it. I've seen these sell from anywhere, depending on the brand, I guess anywhere from, you know, 20 bucks to $1,000, depending on the brand. I know this is not a $1,000 one. It's probably not even a $100 one, but I'm sure we can probably get 30 or 40 or 50 bucks out of it. And what I paid for it was $3.99. $3.99. And last but not least, we got this car here. This is an OG girl's car. The radio works, the headlights work, the taillights work, the blinkers work, the doors open, the hood opens, the trunk opens, everything on it opens. And I paid $6.99 for this. And let's see here. Let's see here. I ain't got it on. Got to turn it on here. If I can find the switch. Now let's look here. You can't see the headlights because of that light, but maybe you can see the tail lights. I don't know. The horn. it's got a real radio in it. So if we scan a little bit, oh, that's so funny that it does that. Like I say, the hood opens and the back opens. It makes a seat. So that is absolutely incredible. I've seen these go for around, they're going for around about 40-50 bucks online. So, and again, I paid $6.99 for it. So that's pretty cool. This alone is just an incredible haul here. This right here. And yes, I'm trying to make a thumbnail here. Alright, there we go. Got my thumbnail. Of course, I may use a different thumbnail. I don't know. But anyway, that's what we were able to get at shopgoodwill.com, was those 4 items, and also at the Goodwill bins. We loaded up on a lot of stuff that were in about 30 cents a piece, 25 cents a piece. So, yeah. There you go. Let me just take the camera and over here and just show you what we're looking at here. So there's all the DVDs and CDs, and there's that camera. There's the charger back there. I'm testing the batteries, the tapes, the doll. There's the little doll car. So that is absolutely incredible. That's a great find. Great haul. Great haul. All right. Well, listen, I appreciate y'all watching. I hope you got something out of this. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a quick video. I didn't put any comps in it or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you what a great haul we got. This awesome haul, and that we were able to find at the Goodwill bins. So yes, you too can get into eBay by going to the Goodwill bins or going to Salvation Army or whatever, or going to shopgoodwill.com. All right. So listen, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and press the little bell so you're notified when I put up a video. I try to put up 2 a week. I'm going to maybe start trying to do more. I don't know. But currently I put up 2 a week. I put one up on Thursday and one up on Saturday. I'm going to change the times I put those videos up. I have been putting them up at 7 p.m., but I think I'm going to start putting them up around 3 or 2 p.m. in the afternoon. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with other people. Maybe they'll enjoy watching it as well. So listen, y'all have a wonderful weekend. And you may be watching this, I just realized you may be watching this, it's not the weekend anymore. This is being aired on Memorial Day weekend, so May the 28th, 2022. So if you're watching this and it's 10 years down the road, then you're seeing an old video, man. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful week, and I hope you too have some great finds and hauls at your local Goodwill stores. Okay, so until next time, I'll see each and every one of you on the flip side.